What's up guys? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and today another blessed day and of course another reaction video. And today papanoorin natin yung final performance ni Jessica sa AGT. I'm so excited about this guys kasi sobrang inabangan ko tong final performance niya, no. And yes, I know some of you kung ano nangyari sa AJT, and later on i-announce ko din yan sa inyo guys, no. So stay tuned and panoorin na muna natin yung performance niya. And kung bago ka pa sa channel ko guys, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating videos. Kaya today, wag natin patagalin to guys. I'm so excited about this. Without further ado, papanoorin na natin yung performance ni Jessica sa finals ng AJT. AGT. Let's do this. Let's go. Alright. Guys, ang kinanta niya dito ay Die With A Smile, no? Ito yung tinransform niya tong kanta na to into magic. Like, she owns it. So, kaya sobrang excited ako. May napanood akong short clip pero hindi ko tinapos kasi nga gusto ko sabay-sabay natin panoorin.
You and I, we had to say goodbye.
Wow, she's so beautiful, all in white, and tignan mo naman naka-buns yung buhok niya, pero she's look amazing, beautiful.
But it all means, since I survived, I realized.
Ganda talaga ng boses niya, no? And I like sobrang yung chill, yung kinikilabutan ako, tumatayo yung balahibo ko every time naririnig ko siyang kumakanta, no?
Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night.
Hey! What I can say guys, no, parang original yung atake. Of course, may sariling version to, may sariling pasabog to si Jessica sa performance na to. And as you can see guys, sobrang ganda ng view. Ini-imagine ko yung sarili ko na live ako nanonood ng mga ganitong performances, and soon I'm claiming it, no? Hey! Those growl! Napakaganda! Sexy, rich, flavorful. Ooh! Very rich. Ang ganda ng runs na yan. Sobrang ganda. Strength yan ni Jessica. Sobrang ganda. Eh! Alam mo guys, ang napapansin ko lang talaga is pag kumakanta si Jessica, sobrang ini-enjoy niya na lang to. This is final, no? Ito na yung huli, pero kitang-kita mo sa kanya na no stress, sobrang relax, ini-enjoy niya lang, and then, emotions is there. Oh, very nice view, napakaganda. Napakaganda ng shot na to. Tignan mo naman, napakadaming tao sa dome na to, no, ng AGT. Napakaganda. It's giving me a concert. Parang concert niya na to, hindi to competition eh. Hey, confettis! Confettis like a champion. Oh! Napakaganda niya, napakaganda ng mga runs na yon, no? Sobrang, ang rich, ang flavorful, sobrang, Jessica, sobrang galing, ganda. What I can say guys, no, kung nandun ka sa dome na yan ng AJT na nanonood talaga ng live, like you can hear naman sa background na nagsisigawan yung mga audience, like they are enjoying it and they are so happy sa performance na to ni Jessica. And deserve talaga, deserve. Hey, standing ovations from the judges. Very nice performance. What I can say guys, sobrang ganda ng version niya na to ng Die With A Smile, no? And parang she owns it talaga. And pinakita niya talaga na she deserved a winning title para sa AGT 2025, no? Sobrang galing. Makita mo naman yung tiyan niya, no? Yung bumps. Partida buntis yan, ha? Yes. Si Sofia, yung nag-golden buzzer sa kanya, sobrang amazing. Hi, thank you so much, Sofia.
What can I say? It's like it's perfection. You look like a little pregnant angel. I mean, you look beautiful. Your voice, I've never heard anything like that.
Level. Ibang level talaga.
Say about you is no matter what song you sing, your vocals are just flawless and pitch perfect.
Correct. Very flawless.
And I want to thank you, and maybe your baby's going to thank you. You've kept the baby in all this time. Well done.
It's a girl.
Oh, nice.
You know what? I agree with everything my fellow judges say, and maybe this is just my opinion, but so far, this is the best act of the night.
Yes.
Simon!
Oh, Howie. Jessica. Wow, I felt that there was an extra 10% from you from before. Maybe the fact, because actually there are two of you, so it's like a duo, right? Jessica, you know what? It was so important for our 20th anniversary that you came back. Importantly, to show that even if you don't win the first time, you've got to always believe in yourself, right?
Yes. And guys, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, 20 years. After 20 years, bumalik siya sa AGT. And imagine niyo kung gaano katagal yan. And this is a very big comeback. And since nasungkit niya ang championship and on this competition, sobrang, fulfilling no na after 20 years, bumalik ka and then napatunayan mo na yun na, you deserve it na manalo sa mga gantong competition. And deserve naman talaga ni Jessica. Sobrang galing niya talaga.
And I think that was actually a beautiful arrangement. And I thought you sounded amazing. Seriously?
Yes.
Amazing. It was, I think, the best performance we heard from you so far.
From Simon Cowell yan, ha?
Tonight, Jessica!
Oh, I think that's it for today, guys. Sobrang saya ko lang din, no, napanood na natin tong final performance ni Jessica. And congratulations, Jessica Sanchez, for winning the AGT 2025 as the Grand Champion, no. Sobrang saya natin today dahil yung mga sinusubaybayan natin, guys, from Jong and now Jessica, and of course next video natin kay Alexa ng Idol Kids Philippines. And huwag niyong kalimutan, guys, na mag-subscribe, hit the notification bell para ma-notify ka sa mga susunod nating videos. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin today, guys. Maraming salamat. See you sa next video, ha. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe. See ya!